As a result of IT managed services, we were able to identify other needs within our company. We were able to add a cloud fax solution, which allowed us to save money. We're also able to utilize Loffler's NEC phone system. We use managed print services. That helps with our printers. We don't have to worry about having parts on hand. We're able to call in and someone is on site usually within hours to fix our printers, and there's minimal downtime. Some of the other projects we've identified and implemented are our SAN solution, our storage solution, virtualization on our network, and also upgrading our switch infrastructure. Another solution that we've implemented is the Datto, which is our backup disaster recovery. We utilize that to make sure that our network is prepared if we need to restore any data.